guys, today we're in a steakhouse and we are eating soup.
Nice. And I got soup too. Addie has the soup. I have a soup.
It's clear soup.
Is it good?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
And later you're going to see crazy stuff. Even a lot of jokes.
Okay, let me have that. We're gonna start off with some yum yum sauce.
Yeah.
If you guys want double, let me know. Oh, you feel me? Oh, now I really gotta show out, huh? Yum yum sauce, yum yum sauce.
I'm trying not to laugh.
I'm trying not to laugh.
Don't laugh, you laugh, I laugh, okay? You guys want some ginger?
Yes.
Just for me, please.
Yes, sir.
Not me.
Not you? You want a double on the other sauce?
Now she's good with that.
Yeah? Ginger sauce, guys? It's free.
Do you have any eel sauce?
Huh?
Eel sauce.
Yeah. Daria, one eel sauce?
Thank you.
And Daddy, I know I love eel
Different,
sauce.
you know, now they got technology and everything. It's easier, you know?
Oh.
What is that, Miss Rachel? No, oh, I must, okay, yeah, that's true, that's true.
Let's get started.
Ready?
Where's the fish at? On the top. That's shrimp. Oh,
Yeah. I was very nervous too, man. Come on. Everybody's a go.
it's the egg.
Ready?
Whoa, where'd you go?
Another. Whoa.
A heart.
Yeah, all with one love.
Oh, hey yo.
Hey, yo.
That's a beautiful heart.
It is. Oh, you're filming. So watch this one. Let me see if you can keep up with this with the camera.
Oh.
Keep me on the egg. I'm going to take that bowl. I'm going to chop it.
Wait.
Whoa.
Wait a second. I know that where you keep on duplicating.
Whoa, it's a
How do
duplex.
you do that? I know that. Like I watched a shorts of it and I saw it.
Oh, yeah?
It was
No,
today.
It's my first day, today.
It was earlier.
I just came from Walmart.
How do you do it though? Do you know how to do it?
Like they put like the other eggs in there and then they'll
Well,
keep
I
on
think it's
going.
magic.
Yeah.
When it comes to being expensive on eggs, you know, we got to do magic sometimes.
Yeah. It's a duplicate. It's a duplicate. Remember?
4 egg yolks.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah?
Whoa.
Alright, scrambled eggs coming up.
Scrambled eggs.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What about the
Fast.
fire?
What about the fire?
Oh no.
You didn't do the fire. Sorry, I got caught up with the camera. Alright, let's do some fire. You ready? The eggs are ready. Done?
Ooh.
This is the first time I actually forgot the fire. I got camera shy. I'm sorry, guys.
She called you.
Yeah, like, man, you know everything, yeah.
Just looking forward to the fire.
The way she asked, she's like, what about the fire?
I might back up.
Sorry.
I just might just back up.
Yes, it's okay.
I'm just gonna back
All right,
up.
ready?
There we go. You ready?
Back up.
We're gonna do it with style.
Whoa.
Fire. Sorry. Yeah.
I just tried to back up.
It's like the baby's not even impressed. It's like, that was it?
See, technology, man. Help. Unimpressed. Yeah. Looked at me like,
Ooh,
crazy.
rice. A cookie party.
Yeah.
Scrambled eggs.
Yummy. Whoa. What is that?
It's like they're making like fried rice.
Try.
Ooh, butter.
Para makes it better. Butterfly. Some
Look
garlic.
at that. Whoa.
Yeah, buddy.
Whee.
Alright, watch and learn what I'm gonna happen. Take this. Do this. Hop.
That was a funny joke
Yeah,
when they
she
used
jumped
the
for
bottle
you, eh?
and then it's just a fake straw.
Yeah. What do you mean there?
I know it's a fake straw. Yummy fried rice.
Yes, yes.
I love to eat fried rice.
You like rice? Alright. How about the rice ball? You gonna catch the rice ball in your mouth?
Oh my god.
Ooh.
You ready?
You ready to catch it?
Come on, let's do it.
Alright, here, hold on. You gotta open up, okay?
We're going on 3. 1, 2, 1. Hey-oh! One more. We're warming up. 1, 2, 1.
Yay! Good
You got it.
job!
You gonna do it?
High five.
Alright, come on. Let's do it.
You got it.
Okay, you ready?
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3.
Catch it.
Oh yeah! One more time. 1, 2.
Open.
Oh yeah! Last one.
Ready?
1, 2, 1. Oh my god, sorry, that's my fault. Last one. 1, 2, 1. Ah! Hey, to be honest with you, it's my fault. It's not your fault. Yeah, I was very nervous. That's all. So we're good.
I have no idea what sauce is that. Oh, whoa. Look, the rice is turning brown.
At least it's trying.
This part is like halfway done. Like, whoa, what is this anyway?
And I'm crazy because how I got the rice in my mouth for the second step.
Yeah, you caught it. Good.
What you think? Did you like it?
No.
Oh, A for effort. At least you tried
Brown
it.
rice. It's like the rice what my grandparents made.
We got your fried rice coming up right now.
Let's,
I never looked like that at home.
Hey, go watch my YouTube video, man.
I'll follow you. Oh, sorry, subscribe.
We'll send you the link to the video.
Alrighty. rice is down and cooking.
Wait a second.
Now we have
Look.
the vegetables.
Tattoos, Molly. From Moana. Look.
Talking about our tats.
Oh. Yeah.
Ooh, a big onion. Broccoli, yum. You can turn the broccolis all brown.
Nice, man. Nice. It's actually my first. Yeah, I did it in one sitting. Seven?
Yeah, this whole thing was my first too. This whole thing.
And look,
Oh, yeah?
he has
That's a
color.
great-
He has color up here. He has color up here.
That's nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to my uncle to get it traditionally done with the chocolate.
Yeah, I got that one from Apple.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, from the Philippines.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Can I have a drink
I
of
thought I was
water?
gonna go up there before she croaks, you know?
Can I have
She's
a
already
drink of
107.
There was just one
Can I have
girl
a drink of water?
that guy came down today with one of my neighbors. Which is like, she does try the test. Oh, that's cool. And then one of the guys like, yeah, she did my tattoo. Whoa. I was like, you know, because when you put something on your skin, you gotta make sure it's gonna be right, you know? I mean, it looks good, but to me, it's like the detail has to be good.
Yeah. You're the one's gonna be stuck with it for the rest of your life, you know?
Exactly.
Just trying to be nice. I was like,
Yeah.
not there yet.
Huh? I tell you what, you come back tomorrow, and then we're gonna do it.
There you go.
Same time tomorrow, okay?
And then can I tell you something?
I'll show you something cool. Look, we're gonna do the volcano.
Ooh, I love volcanoes.
You seen the volcano before?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen someone take the fire of the volcano and bend the fire with their fingers before?
That was it. Well, that's weird.
Have you seen it?
No, she acted that was it.
Oh.
It's up now.
Hold up now.
A hard crowd.
I mean, I never seen it too, but I mean, let's do it. Here you go.
Here comes the volcano.
Hey.
Whoa.
By the way. Oh, watch it. Watch the fire. Hey. What is it, the volcano? I'll show you the volcano. Let's go.
Whoa. It's like lava.
I get do the chicken or no?
The what?
Like the chicks.
The chicks?
The chicken?
Yeah, it's like chick. Like I saw a video where she put the egg and then crack it and then the chick pop out.
It's my first thing.
It's like you
You
guys.
guys.
Eggs. I think they
I'm
find it
really
out, you
keeping me
know?
on my feet today.
I think they were whispering
It's
before you
really
came
a
out.
crowd over here like, yeah, who's she now? But you're gonna do something else. Your cousin did it. I saw the video of him.
You've seen that before.
Whoa!
Alright. Yeah, thank you. What? Oh, sorry. Too much? Let's go.
Ready?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Come on, bring it on. Lots of rice, my friend.
Extra.
Might as well.
Yo, the dog got some.
Whoa.
Veggie.
Vegetables.
Ooh, mushrooms. Oh. Did you do the fire again?
Yeah, of course.
Oh no.
Ready?
Yeah. That wasn't a fire.
Oh, wasn't a fire?
Yeah.
Watch this, watch this. Do it again. We're gonna make one.
Those vegetables look yummy to me.
Yeah.
Dude, you got me showing up on camera. I forgot she's so good.
I want to see onions.
Stick the lamp.
We got noodles, my friend.
Ew, black.
No, brownies, you know?
It's overcooked. I never taste that. Take a little bite of this.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yummy.
Noodles.
Ooh.
Like Japanese spaghetti.
Yeah, that's where we going.
I want spaghetti. I bet you gonna eat it from us.
Now.
You never eat spaghetti from a baby chick?
Whoa. Baby chick spaghetti.
Eel sauce?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, veggies!
Oh, yeah.
Yummy vegetables.
Let's go.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, you can hold the candle now?
Sure. Wanna eat? Okay, go eat. How's it? Good?
I just ate a little bit. Look, there's meat.
Your shrimp, I mean.
With all that meat. Ooh, remember that spaghetti?
Oh, yeah.
Yay, we're gonna deliver spaghetti.
It's gonna be the best
What
one. Let's
noodles?
get it.
Do you remember our chick where I just got over?
Let's go.
Oh. Oh my god.
Yes, I know you want more. Ooh, yeah. Now on the salmon, would you guys like
Thank
teriyaki
you.
sauce or soy sauce on the salmon?
Teriyaki, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
What are those?
Shrimp.
No, those. Like up
Scallops.
there. Ooh, scallops.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want some teriyaki? Of course. I want you to call me out on camera, you know. Picking up chick.
Daddy, do you know I like yum yum sauce and eel sauce?
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yum yum sauce and yum sauce.
Brown sushi.
Did you guys used to serve lobster back in the day?
Yes, for the dinner too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, you notice that it's
Yeah,
gone.
we used to do that before. I guess nobody ordered that much of the lobster.
Okay.
When how much we take out, it really goes bad. And then I'm one of those, I don't serve anything that goes bad, so I throw it away.
Yeah.
So I guess because of how expensive it is, and then I guess it's just made for sushi. Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't think
Twist it for
No. Yummy meat. I'm showing the people my dipping shrimp sauce.
shrimp sauce. Yummy.
And rice.
And what am I making next? Yeah. I'm making the good stuff. You got your steak, your chicken, you know.
That's shrimp sauce.
This
is shrimp. What sauce is that?
Teriyaki.
Oh, I got soy sauce.
That's
Eel sauce.
Eel sauce.
That's eel sauce.
Yeah.
There. Eel sauce and more.
You can dip it in this sauce. It's good in this sauce.
Yeah, you get a bite too. Or you can mix them up.
Yeah.
Woo.
chicken nuggets.
There's the chicken nuggets.
So we got our food now. And the chef is complete. And here's our food.
What's the food?
One Sprite.
We got a lot. There was noodles, there was rice, there was veggies, there was fish. We got chicken, steak,
want more refills?
and more.
I'm okay. Thank you.
Why two? I'll see yours. And there's anything to that too.
Yeah. Yes.
This one?
After that we could
Stew.
You say thank you?
thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you guys very much for coming in.
It is Father's Day.
Yes, it is Father's Day, so we're celebrating the fathers. And we appreciate y'all coming here.
Yes,
We love you and your
sir.
money.